movement was created as an effect of Russian occupation of Ukraine. What is the aim behind the creation of this movement? Is it a liberation movement?
First of all, it's a movement to fight against Russian occupation in peaceful forms. Because there are a lot of people who has not opportunity to be in military, soldiers or officers. They maybe has not military experience or military equipment, but they need a method to use the energy to help Ukraine, to support Ukraine in their own cities, to believe in Ukraine and keep this belief stronger among other people.
And there are those who say that Ukraine was once part of Russia, and this is one of the reasons about the invasion. Do you agree with such statement?
I think the main cause of this war is that Russian imperialism, because Russians still believe that Soviet Union it was something organical, that it has some strong ties in history and so on and so on, but it's just the ideology, it's just their propaganda. No Soviet Union, no Russian Empire has no strong ties with Ukrainians, emotionally, culturally. Yes, they created some political influence on us, and it's based on violence. It's never based on democracy, it's never based on human rights. It often was authoritarian regime, but a lot of Russians still think that authoritarian regime still can exist as a successful political model. We don't believe in that.
Now that we are nearing the 10th month of the invasion, what did your movement achieve about this period?
I think our main achievement is our people, because we have more than 3,000 activists from more than 20 cities and villages that are occupied, and all forms of protest are very extreme for these people. There are often near to this, and we need to understand that the bravery of these people is fantastic.
One final word, your appeal to the whole, to our readers. One final appeal.
Yes, is the main idea is that our people can do anything. They have no borders in their mindset, and this is brave people. This is beautiful people, and for me, it was exciting experience to take part in such an organization.